Get back over to Alexandra.
Hey Leslie, we're in for some weather changes today. Finally, it seems like we had so much rain over and over every day for a while, and very humid conditions too. Today we've had a little front move through, so it's already outside of our area. We're going to feel the effects today, and I think it'll be a pretty nice day. If you have something you wanted to do outside, grab something to eat outdoors or go for a little walk or whatever you have, I think it will be mostly a pleasant day. Now, a few showers are possible later on because we still have the upper level low pressure area hovering near us today. A little less humid will be what we're looking for the rest of the week, and a pretty steady forecast all the way into the weekend and even into early next week. So nothing really changing as we have gotten to this point in the forecast. And in October, we usually do have our driest month. On average, it's the driest month. And so a nice 7-day forecast. I can't wait to show it to you with no real rain chances coming. It's going to be something nice, at least if you are sick of the rain. Our dew points still in the South Shore areas in the 70s. Our current temperatures in the 70s there too. So if you step outside south of the lake, there's not a big change just yet this morning. North Shore temperatures are in the 60s though, and that will be the trend most days this week. Visibility, fine this morning. In fact, almost the maximum 10-mile visibility at all our different sites. And here are dew points. We talk about dew points as a measure of how it feels, the mugginess at the surface. You can also use relative humidity. But dew points in the 60s are a little bit less humid than what we've had lately. 70s is still pretty muggy, and we'll talk about that in a second. Here is the front now removed off of our coast, and notice all the rain really with it this morning is to the east of the front. So we're not looking for a huge rain chance today. We'll keep it near 20% later this afternoon and evening. Even we could have a shower or two. Partly cloudy though today, mainly dry for most of us. Highs we'll say about 83 or so, and our winds pretty light but out of the north, and that will be the trend. Our local weather expert forecast for those of you in Thibodaux joining us this morning, temperatures will be there about 83, 84. Overall a pleasant day, but again, maybe a stray shower. Here's our forecast moving through the next several hours for your out-the-door forecast this morning. On the South Shore, we'll be in the lower 70s, but North Shore, as you saw, some upper 60s. So I guess a few of you may want a light sweater or jacket to put on briefly, because of course we'll be in the 80s later on. Just wanted to show you our high resolution model just to let you see what our model is showing. Now this is why we gave it the 20% rain chance. The upper low is still near us. That could help a little bit of lift in the atmosphere, so we may have a couple of showers, but not everyone will see rain. In fact, most of us will not have rain. And then following it into tonight and tomorrow looks a lot clearer. Tonight we'll say lows North Shore about 63, South Shore maybe about 68, so a little cooler, not as humid, and a few clouds possible tonight. Here is our dew point forecast. Dew points in the 60s, notice, really all the way through next Tuesday, because we have a sort of steady forecast going. And notice that corresponds to 60s for the dew points. I called it not too bad, but not quite that dry October feel that I think we're looking for, but again, pretty pleasant. Now in the tropics, Sam has become a post-tropical cyclone, and it joined up with a trough, so it's no longer really tropical. There's just that one area that we've been watching outside of the Bahamas that has a very low chance, 0 to 10% chance of development. So tropics looking quiet. And here's that 7-day forecast. Very quiet and steady, and overall fairly pleasant weather stretching all the way through the weekend and into early next week. April.